We've got some really great leads captured, and I think we've made some really good connections.
The quality of the people are here is definitely far better than other shows. We had a great engagement with caterers and delis and farm shop, the kind of businesses, and we don't seem to reach in other shows. And this is what for us is quite important to come here in Birmingham.
We've met all sorts of people at the show. We've met buyers from Selfridges and chefs. So it's been a real good opportunity to meet diverse from food service, contract caterers, to buyers in retail, in the real big brands.
A lot of shows that you go to just don't bring the visitor numbers or the right sort of visitors. William Reed bring the visitor numbers, but also the right sort of people to us, but then keep on regenerating the show every year.
For companies wanting to exhibit here, give it a go. You've got the right people here on site, visiting, give it a go.
William Reed have created the show with a fantastic atmosphere, and they've certainly got the right buyers and the right people coming here.
If we're going to invest, we need to make sure that we are going to see the benefit of that. And William Reed do that really, really well.
We trust them because of that long-standing relationship, and just their knowledge of the sector is second to none, really. So, you know, being who we are and William Reed being who they are, it's a perfect match really for us.
William Reed are professionals at what they do. Fantastic organisation. Everything's gone like clockwork this year. From the pre-preparation, technology on site, absolutely fantastic.